Hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how we're going to edit the current grid lines. Now if we zoom in this particular project, you're going to see the walls, the grid lines, and also the bubbles. Now the bubbles seems a bit too big, alright, and if you want to intervene on these bubbles, well, you can try and go to the, let's say you select one of them. You're going to see that the browser, the project browser, highlights that this is grid 6.5 millimeter bubble. All right, so apart from 6 millimeter, we've got that one. All right, so well, basically it stays big. Alright, so what we want to do is to have something reasonable, decent, and well, we would like to have, instead of 6.5 millimeter high text, we would like to have like 300, which would be reasonable. Alright, and also if we measure, let's say the diameter, it's like a bit too big. Alright, we would like it to be like 300 millimeters in diameter. Alright, so how do we proceed with that? Unfortunately, when you click on it, the properties dialog box does not permit a lot of changes here. If we go to the edit, alright, we're going to see that it is under symbol, graphic symbol, anno grid head, alright, circle. So basically this is a family, alright, and to modify it we need to look for where the family is, edit the family according to your taste, and then save it or load it back into the project. So this is what we're going to show you. So we need to look for that particular family. So when we go to the right hand side in the project browser, we go down, you're going to see that we've got families. So if we expand the families, you're going to see a series of other stuff that appears. So this basically is a compilation of all the families that currently we have available in the system for this particular project. So as observed here, all right, sorry, where were we? All right, so if we select one grid, all right, so basically we need to look for that family, anno grid head circle. All right, so anno means annotation, so we expand the annotation symbol. Then we have to go for anno grid head circle. So here it is. All right, so what we do is we right click on it and then we look for edit. All right, so we're going to be projected into this particular file. All right, so then you can see, I mean, you can measure the distance from here to here. All right, so it's quite big, so 6.5. so we are going to reduce that. All right, so let's see, let's scale this down from, let's say, one extreme to the other. So we're going to move it to, let's say we want to make it 3.
2045.
All right, 3. Right. So then this is the circle. Now we're going to modify the text. All right. So the text currently is at 4.5 millimeters. So we edit, and we're not going to mess with the existing one. So we're going to duplicate, and we're going to create one which is 3 millimeters. Okay, then we intervene on the text height, we set it to 3. Now if you want to change the font, you are welcome to do so. If you want to put it bold, you can put it bold, and then we put apply, we click on apply, and then OK. So here it is again. Well, I think we mess up with this size, so we need to have this to 3. Let's put it 3. All right, should be decent. So now that we are happy with what we're seeing, we just need to load into project and close. Now definitely it's going to ask you to save it on the current one. Now if you want to continue on using this new updated format of the grid lines, then that's fine. Otherwise you need to save it as a different name. All right, you can save it on your desktop, and any project that you're going to be working on, you can still load it into your project. All right, so I'm going to just load it. I'm going to click on yes. All right, so I can save it on the desktop. All right, save. All right, and then it's going to ask you this: override the existing version and its parameters. As you can see in the back, the grid lines are big. All right, I need to override the existing version and its parameters, and you can see that now it is updated based on what I have modified within that family. All right, so this seems to me much nicer. All right, so I'm going to stick to it, and I save it as it is. So that's all from me. Thank you.